Hey everybody, Jack Rocknroll Amps. Gentleman in California sent me this Fender Deluxe Reverb Reissue and wanted me to hand wire it. So the job is complete. I'm giving it its first run, and it's neat, clean, and it's very, very quiet, which I love. Okay, so I'm playing a 61 reissue Gibson SG. Okay, we're using a Shure SM57 microphone. It's in front of a Marshall 412 cabinet, in front of one Celestion G12-65. What else can I tell you? It's being recorded in Studio One version 7 Pro. And that's about it. Here's the clean sound. You can see the settings on the amplifier. There we go. The reverb you hear is coming from the amplifier. It's not added. Okay, so that's the clean sound. Now I'm going to turn on a silk tone overdrive. Anyway, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that little demo. Thanks for watching.